Parte numero 19. Stampante multifunzione. Dato che mi serviva una stampante e uno scanner, ho scelto di prendere una stampante multifunzione, anche per risparmiare spazio. E siccome non ho grandi pretese, ho preso una stampante di fascia medio-bassa, diciamo. Ne ho trovata una a 57 euro scontata su Unieuro. Il modello è Canon MG3650S e ha tutti i requisiti che mi servono, ovvero dovrei solamente stampare e scannerizzare dei documenti e deve avere la connessione wifi perché ho lo spazio, diciamo, abbastanza lontano dal computer e quindi utilizzo la connessione wifi per stampare. Questa stampante esaudisce tutti i requisiti e mi sono trovato abbastanza bene, ho già provato a fare delle stampe e la qualità di stampa è molto alta, mi aspettavo qualcosa di meno, però sono rimasto molto sbalordito dalla qualità di stampa. Per quanto riguarda invece la scansione, purtroppo ho visto che i colori vengono un po' sbiaditi. Non so se dipende dal software che sto usando oppure se c'è da fare qualche impostazione, perché io ho fatto praticamente tutto in automatico giusto per fare delle prove. E quindi probabilmente ci sarà da alzare i DPI per quanto riguarda la scansione per avere un'immagine un po' migliore. E per quanto riguarda le specifiche tecniche ve le lascio tutte in descrizione tramite il link. Io l'ho usata con Ubuntu, anche se non c'è il supporto dichiarato come al solito sulla scatola, funziona perfettamente. Una volta collegata in wifi viene riconosciuto come qualsiasi stampante, per lo scanner uguale. Basta, direi basta. Adesso vi lascio al video di unboxing e poi vi faccio vedere anche come si connette al router wireless e vi faccio vedere una prova di scansione, una prova di stampa. Ok, buona visione e unboxing.
I can make a million, never pray the devil. Yeah, they've been looking up to me another level. They've been running round in circles trying to chase a check. I ain't never take my foot off the pedal. Nah, you won't ever know what this means to me. I'ma get us in the VIP at them private seats. I ain't tripping, flying jets to get overseas. I'ma get this money with my brothers and all my OGs. Yeah, we tryna be no legends. Did you get the memo, get the reference? I just wanna get some action. I just wanna get some action. We gon' be in magazines, I ain't gotta lie, count my blessings every evening. Yeah, I got bros in the trenches serving all the fiends. I'ma go commercial, Duava Mandrazo, new industry. I'ma go crazy with it, get the bag in the mouth. Duava the greatest, I pull up and take it. Talking money with the bosses, I ain't never need your bread, I don't want the clout. Like football, I've been running routes, no brace till 100 out. I'ma snap in the boot till I get the whole rap game tapping out. Now I don't wanna give him everything, yeah. I'll give him a taste, then I'll keep the rest all to myself. Ain't no conversation, I'ma be up, but I won't pray to Satan. I'm too nice with it, I don't ever get no haters. Yeah, we tryna be no legends. Did you get the memo, get the reference? I just wanna get some action. I just wanna get some action.
Don't you dare give up, bro, don't you quit. Hang in there now, 2020, this is it. You said you work, so do not trip. Instead get motivation and just fire from the hip. Yeah, just get it going, man, you really gotta move. Everybody's still like, oh dude, I don't know what to do. Do I do this like that? Or, well, like the other way, dude. I'll just overthink, but I am here just making moves. So 2020, would you take it off? Yeah, I'm talking about the roof. Motivation and pass the test, I know you can. So you get to plant them moves like you get to go be the man. Or you just rise to the top. I don't really care what they say, my dog. Yeah, up your game today, otherwise you falling off. Yeah, you setting goals for yourself, I know you did. And we all feel at some point, but this is it. Yeah, this is the year that we taking it back from the back with my brothers. I gotta attack. That's what I preach to the people right now. Just go and chase them goals, man. It's all been sitting back, procrastinating. I've listened to them talk, I think I really hate it. Like, why can y'all just work, just go and generate it? I put in the hours, yeah, I got the motivation. Don't you quit. Hang in there now, 2020, this is it. You said you work, so do not trip. Instead get motivation and just fire from the hip. Yeah, just get it going, man, you really gotta move. Everybody's still like, oh dude, I don't know what to do. Do I do this like that? Or, well, like the other way, dude. I'll just overthink, but I am here just making moves. So 2020, would you take it off? Yeah, I'm talking about the roof.
This ain't a song for the broken hearted. No silent prayer for faith departed. And I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live my life. It's my life. This is for one who stood their ground.